Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing the story of the stone cutter. Once upon a time there lived a poor stone cutter. Every day he went to the mountain, cut the stone and sold them in a market. His life was a simple, but he always felt unsatisfied. One day as he was cutting the stone, he saw a rich merchant passing by in a golden carriage. The cutter sighed, "I wish I could be the merchant, then I did have happy forever." Suddenly a magical voice said, "Your wish is granted." In a moment, the stonecutter became a wealthy merchant. He wore a fine cloth, lived in a big house, and people respect him. But soon he saw the king passing by with the guard and servant. Everyone bowed before the king. The merchant thought, "The king is more powerful than me. I want to be the king." The magical voice returned, "Your wish is granted." Now he became the king. He sat on the throne, ruled the land, and felt proud. But one hot afternoon, the sun shone brightly in a sky. The king couldn't stop the heat. He said, "The sun is more powerful than me. I want to be the sun. Your wish is granted." Now he was the sun, shining over the earth, strong and bright. But soon cloud gathered and blocked his light. He said, "The cloud is stronger. I want to be the cloud." Again, your wish is granted. As a cloud, he floated freely and covered the sky. But then a strong wind blew him away. He realized the wind is stronger. "I want to be the wind." Your wish is granted. He became the wind, powerful and unstoppable, blowing the trees, moving seas. But then he hit the giant mountain and couldn't move it. He said, "The mountain is stronger than me. I wanted to be the mountain. Your wish is granted." Now he was a mighty mountain, tall, unshakable. But one day a stone cutter come with his tool and started cutting the stone from the mountain. The mountain carried, "Who is the more powerful than me?" The voice replied, "It is the stone cutter." The man realized he wanted to be what he already was. He bowed his head and said, "I just want to be myself again." And his wish was granted. From that day, he worked happily, proud to be the stone cutter. Moral of the story is we often look at the other and wish for their life, thinking they are happier or more successful. But the true happiness lies accepting yourself and being grateful for what you have. Don't compare, don't complain, and you are strong, unique, and enough just the way you are. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.